SkyeChip, Malaysia's biggest semiconductor chip design company, is finally going to IPO at a price of 88 cents per share, 1.6 billion ringgit market cap. SkyeChip is identified as one of the 10 champions under Malaysian National Semiconductor Strategy to achieve at least 1 billion ringgit revenue by 2029. In FY 2025 ending March, SkyeChip generated 120 million ringgit revenue and 36 million ringgit profit. And in 7 months FY 2026, SkyeChip generated 89 million ringgit revenue and 31 million ringgit profit. Today, let me expose SkyeChip business secrets to you. Hey guys, it's HY, your investing friend. SkyeChip was founded in 2020 by Dato Fong and Mr. Ted. Dato Fong was the director of Intel Penang Design Center, and he also worked in Altera and Broadcom before. After the IPO, both of them will hold 24% shareholding each in SkyeChip. The third largest shareholder with 14.1% shareholding is SKC Team, which is collectively owned by 114 employees from SkyeChip. This is a very good strategy to keep key talents from leaving SkyeChip. So in total, 62.1% of SkyeChip is owned by people working inside the company. This is a very good sign. Another even better sign is there's no offer for sale in this IPO, meaning the founders are not even cashing out at all. Towards the end of the video, we will share why SkyeChip is going to IPO and what they will do with the money raised from the IPO. We are very excited about this IPO is because when SkyeChip closest competitor Oppstar IPO in 2023, the IPO price was 63 cents. First day shoot up 286%. Ulama! So if you have plans to apply for SkyeChip IPO, you can apply IPO easily with Moomoo for free. Everything is online and can be done via Moomoo app. Just go to account, click more, click IPO, open CDS account if you haven't, select the IPO company, choose how many units you want, click subscribe. Then you have successfully applied for this IPO. You can apply SkyeChip IPO from 29th of April 2026 to 6th of May 2026, and the listing date is on 20th of May 2026. At Moomoo, they also provide margin financing for IPO, so you can increase your chances of getting the IPO even with small capital. No interest fee will be charged if the subscription is unsuccessful. One tips for you when applying IPO: always apply this number of units to increase your chances of getting IPO shares. If you open Moomoo account now, you can get 6% CashPlus up to 30,000 ringgit for 30 days, and 180 days zero commission when you trade US, Malaysia, Singapore, Hong Kong, and China markets. On top of that, new Moomoo users can get exclusive rewards up to 1,900 ringgit if you use my referral code in your first deposit. Open Moomoo app, search special deposit, click go, insert DoitDuit Deposit 1,000 ringgit to get 150 ringgit. Deposit 10,000 ringgit to get 900 ringgit. Click the link in the pinned comment to claim your exclusive deal. Alright, let's come back to SkyeChip business model before you decide whether to apply for this IPO. There are 3 parts in the semiconductor value chain: design, fabrication, assembly, packaging, and testing. Design is the highest margin one in the value chain. This is where companies like Apple and Nvidia stand. Like Apple, they design the M5 chip used in your MacBook. Or Nvidia, they design Blackwell GPU chip used in AI data centers. Very high margin, this is also where SkyeChip stands. Then fabrication is manufacturing of semiconductor chip like TSMC, Samsung, Intel. Then the last part is assembly, packaging, and testing, which is where most Malaysian semiconductor companies stand. 13% of global semiconductor packaging and testing pass through Malaysia. But this is also the lower margin side of semiconductor value chain. Understanding this is very important because you can see SkyeChip position themselves in the higher end of the value chain. SkyeChip is a fabless chip design company, meaning they will design chip only, they don't manufacture the chip. Like the architect for your house, they just design your house, they don't build your house. Right after SkyeChip start operation in 2020, they start designing chip and build their intellectual property bank. It's very hard to design IC chips from scratch because there are too many transistors in the chip. For example, there are almost 30 billion transistors in iPhone 17 chip. So normally, chip designers, they will pay licensing fees and use design available in the market for the not so important part of the IC chip. Only for the core part of the chip, they will design it themselves. As of FY 2025, SkyeChip already have 113 patent filings, and their main business model comes from licensing out their IP. So this is build once, license many times kind of business. In FY 2025, this part of the business generated 86 million ringgit revenue. around 72% of SkyeChip total revenue. In 7 months of FY 2026, revenue from IP licensing increased to 80.2 million ringgit, 91% of their total revenue. But licensing IP is not the only way that SkyeChip makes money. The second business segment is custom ASIC. Basically means the chip is designed for very specific use case. For example, ASIC chip for AI inferencing, networking, or memory. Because previously, SkyeChip just designed chip and licensed out their chip design. But now, they are designing their own chip, let TSMC manufacture the chip, and sell the actual physical chip to their customers. So SkyeChip, they will earn 2 times money from this business segment. First, when SkyeChip design chip for the customers, they will earn one-off income. Then, when chip goes into mass production, SkyeChip can make money again from product sales. In FY 2025, custom ASIC contributed 32 million ringgit revenue, around 27% of total revenue. But in 7 months of FY 2026, revenue from custom ASIC dropped to 8.4 million ringgit, 9% of total revenue, mainly because of the timing to recognize their revenue. Now let's look at the numbers. From FY 2023 to FY 2025, SkyeChip revenue grew 210% from 57 million ringgit to 120 million ringgit. But profit only grew 24% from 29 million ringgit to 36 million ringgit. The business has become bigger, but their profit margin has been dropping. Because SkyeChip, they has changed their business model from licensing IP and providing chip design service to also selling physical chip. So depreciation costs, staff costs, R&D costs, hampalang all increased. In 7 months of FY 2026, their revenue grew 39% from 64 million ringgit to 89 million ringgit. Profit also grew 40% from 22 million ringgit to 31 million ringgit. Another thing to note, historically, SkyeChip has been paying less than 5% effective tax rate, because Malaysia government gave them tax exemption, but that exemption has expired on 9th of September 2025. Currently, the tax exemption renewal is still under review. If SkyeChip cannot get the renewal, they will be paying 24% tax rate. Luckily, SkyeChip management, they already prepared for this, and they already received 5-year income tax exemption in Vietnam from May of 2025. So if they cannot get their tax exemption renewal in Malaysia, they can move their business to Vietnam. All in all, SkyeChip management guided that FY 2026 tax rate will still be below 5%. On 29th of April 2026, SkyeChip announced that they will be IPO on Bursa with a market cap of 1.6 billion ringgit and raised 352 million ringgit cash to scale their business fast because they want to ride the AI wave now. Almost 87% of IPO proceeds, around 305 million ringgit, will be going into expanding SkyeChip business. The big bulk of it, 155 million ringgit, will go into developing more custom ASIC, focus on AI hardware chip with 2.5D and 3D chiplets. SkyeChip will also hire 144 new technical staff for this. If this investment is successful, then SkyeChip can transform from licensing out IP to full-fledged fabless company. 56 million ringgit will go into R&D to increase the IP licensing library. New IP that they plan to develop include new networking IP, new memory IP, and automotive-grade IP. The rest of the IPO proceeds they will invest in computing infrastructure and labs, EDA and development tools, office and facilities, working capital and IPO expenses. So what do you think about SkyeChip's IPO? Do you think the aggressive growth plan will succeed? There are a balance of good and bad news here. Good news are the founders are invested in the business and they are not cashing out. SkyeChip is Malaysia's bet to push up Malaysia's semiconductor value chain. If SkyeChip investment is successful, they will fully transform into a fabless company. Bad news, Malaysia tax exemption renewal is still not confirmed, and the chip design and fabless business are very competitive. So it is a question mark whether SkyeChip can consistently win. At the end of the day, we still hope SkyeChip can succeed so Malaysia can move up the semiconductor value chain and compete at the global level. And if you plan to apply for SkyeChip IPO, you can apply easily via Moomoo for free. Everything is online and can be done in Moomoo app. Just go to account, click more, click IPO, open CDS account if you haven't, select the IPO company that you want to apply, choose how many units you want to apply, click subscribe, then you have successfully applied for the IPO. Moomoo also provides margin financing for IPO, so you can increase the chance of getting the IPO shares even with small capital. No interest fees will be charged if the subscription is unsuccessful. And that's all for today's video. What do you think about SkyeChip IPO? Let me know in the comment section. Until then, stay safe and stay strong investing. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye!